Hi, I'm Carolyn, and today I wanted to show you how to preserve your herbs. So I had a lot of basil in my garden that I wasn't going to get to this year, and basil is one of those herbs that freezes. So I wanted to go ahead and harvest some, and I took 2 big branches and rinsed them off and patted dry them, and then I just took the leaves off, and now I'll just put them in the oven on cookie sheets at bake 200. It'll take about an hour and a half, and we'll want them to be totally crunchy when they come out. Now I'm doing this with basil, but you can certainly do this with other herbs as well. And then when they come out of the oven, we'll let them cool, and then we just put them in jars for the season. You can have them all year round. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven. Makes your whole house smell wonderful. Okay, and we'll be back. Hi, and we're back. And I pulled the basil leaves out of the oven about an hour ago. You can see that they're nice and crunchy, and they're ready to go ahead and put in our jar so that way we can store them for winter. Now, if you'd like to, you can crush them a little. I'll show you how we can do that. So you can make your own just like you would at the store. You could crush them in there. But it's actually better because you grew it and now you're drying it. So look how nice that is. So you can make it into a powder, or I like to just use my hands, and I use it a lot for my gravies, and I just crush it and put it in like that. So it's really nice. You can really smell it. It's got a really great fragrance. And look how it comes down to almost nothing. And you saw how there were double, triple, quadruple layers in there. There we go. We just need a lid and a little screw top, and we're set to go. We got some beautiful basil, and that'll last us all winter long. If you have parsley or other herbs, thyme, I'm sure you could do other herbs the same way. I know parsley sometimes lasts past the frost, so you can actually pick it in the wintertime if it's not too bad out there, especially if it's outside of the house. And let's see. That's it. Beautiful. Thanks so much for joining me. If you like this, you can go ahead and like the page, and you could follow us on our Facebook and our YouTube channel. You can find more videos on canning and freezing. Thanks so much. Take care.